Hey, it's Maddie again. This is my stepmom, Abby. We're going to do the Chubby Bunny Challenge. Chubby Bunny.
Oh.
Don't take it out.
Chubby Bunny.
Chubby Bunny. Chubby Bunny.
Spit them out if you're done. And gag yourself.
I put 5 in my mouth.
How many did she get? 4?
I can't breathe.
She got 4, I got 5. That was disgusting.
I'm crying.
That was so bad.
I'm probably sorry. I got tears out of my eye.
Guys. Okay, well, that was a Chubby Bunny challenge. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye.